What is he doing? What is he doing? Taz, it's gonna.
Guys, welcome back to week 4 of ZEZO Super Cup. I'm here, obviously he's getting a lot of attention right now because this is the first wild card used in the ZEZO Super Cup, man. How you feeling today, Yunus, man? Second team.
Well, I'm feeling happy, bro. I'm excited, man. But I wanna win, bro. I wanna win, man.
Listen, man, you look good today. The hair's long and the beard's shining, man. You think you guys are gonna win today? You confident?
Not really, man. But inshallah we do.
Listen, get out of the camera, bro. Listen, one last score prediction. How do you think it's gonna go, man?
I think we'll be at the bottom, and then all to play for at the top, man.
Listen,
well, inshallah,
I respect this. You're realistic, man.
Yeah, my guys, but inshallah,
Listen, man. You think the players that you dropped out today is gonna affect your performance today?
Well, of course, like the players that we had last week, we didn't lose the game until the last, but we got a bit sluggish and tired, and we conceded both of those 2 sloppy goals. But yeah, man, let's just hope and just see, you know. Yeah, let's.
Glory to God, man. Listen, one last question, bro. Quick score prediction. How do you think it's gonna go?
I feel like we're gonna destroy every team again and again and again and again, because obviously, what are we? JDFC, and JDFC, we always come on smoke.
Thank you for the interview, man. Shout out to JDFC.
Oh, I also got a prediction. I have another prediction that one of my players are gonna become man of the match. It could be me, or it could be someone else.
What's his name?
We have to wait and see. JDFC, let's go.
Keeping it close. Thank you. We're here with Glory, that plays for SLOTHS FC. Just a quick word on how do you think today is gonna go?
It's going to be very competitive. We're going to try our best. Whatever result, we'll try our best. And yeah, at the end of the day, it's about fun, about enjoyment. And we're here to enjoy football. Great tournament, put on, trying to enjoy it.
Listen, fun and enjoyment, man. That's what I took from that. But you've had a bit of a little issue with the team already, man. Is there something that we can look forward to in the game? Or
I had an issue. I don't know who he is, but he's talking to me like I've grown up with him. And then, yeah, just talking a lot, but it's football, play, prove on the pitch. And yeah, we'll see what they're about. But I know what the other teams are about as well, so that's a good side. We'll try and enjoy it.
And we're back on the way, week 4, ZEZO Super Cup semi-final. I'm here with my co-host,
Qasim El-Mizan.
and we're back, man. We've got Alex FC versus SLOTHS FC and BARKINGSIDE FC, man.
And this is the first semi-finals of the ZEZO Super Cup. And our first game's underway is BARKINGSIDE FC against Alex FC. Let's see what we got over the way.
We're back on the way. We're in the main stadium today, man. It feels good to be back here, man. The stadium looks packed out, man. Tickets have sold out, actually.
Sold out, actually, yeah. They were going at a premium rate. You know, this is fantastic to see. And as you guys would know, there's a lot of stake here. A lot at stake.
100%, man. The ref's gonna have a long day.
Yeah. I'll tell you, we need the SIA security today here, because I'll tell you what. Oh, look at that.
Oh my days!
I'll tell you what.
Hey, what a finish!
What a finish from Alex. Can we get a replay on that, please? Because the way he went past the player and precise his strike on top of the bar is amazing to see. Player though, and here he is.
Let's get a little clap for him.
Let's get a little clap for Black Messi. One of the greatest to do it. And here we go. I'll tell you what, look at him, he's on it today. Oh, Black Messi there. Look at him there, look at the run, the power run, that Yaya-esque run. And that's not a foul. He won the ball for Allah! Oh, so lucky there.
I'm not gonna lie, man.
And now Alex. Great block. What I like about it is it's going to test the mentality of both teams, you know. It's going to be mental sport. And that's it. I've scored it there. Great first game. Anyway, Al Ittifaq, this beat Al Nassr as Ronaldo's team. And we got almighty Carter. How he's still a free agent, we don't know.
How do you think he's going to play a part in today's game? If he didn't choose football, he could take up a modelling contract.
Oh, I'll tell you. And I'll tell you what. It's also a bit down to the fact that he went to Morocco as well.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, he claimed his free man of the match meal. Oh, lovely return.
This is going to be good.
Lovely touches. No, continue, man. Here we go. And Carter, what a save from Carter. That's his first big save. More to come. Look at that. What a save from the keeper. He claimed that and rushed.
Okay to do so. That's what I'm going to tell you.
But we get back on the way and Taz, good hold up play. Gives the ball away, unfortunately though. The last person to give it to is Alex. Big fella. Oh, look at him. Look at him finishing that. Great save. And Hendo. I don't know, that guy, he's decent in goal though, I can't lie, that guy. Oh, what a ball. Lavia's got it.
Go there normally, man, but it's come.
And that's good defending there.
Exactly, yeah.
Oh, he's giving the ball away. Lavia there. Finally back in the Chelsea top. Great block there from Aurier. Lavia.
A pitch that's not making money.
Ref might want to give him space. By Carter. Oh, lovely ball by Taz. And no! Oh, lucky there. And now here's Taz.
Why?
That's a golden opportunity. Hendo should have buried that in my opinion. At least get on target, you know. Yeah, it was a good session, man, I'm telling you. Oh, what a play! He's got to bury that. Carter there, good save. Cazorla. Oh. Wallahi, great defending. This is a good matchup, you know, I can't lie. This is a high level football game. Oh, what a goal, Cazorla! Even Carter couldn't save that. There's a... And his Hendo, oh, bad ball control there. Oh, I love it though. Love it though.
Still at Chelsea.
Well, like great feet by Hendo. Aurier.
What's this Chinese guy saying? Is he good?
Yeah, Cazorla, we call him Cazorla.
Henderson from Al Ettifaq.
He's not happy with that. And here is Taz! Oh, that's unlucky there. And Henderson's not happy. I'll tell you what, we're back on the way here. Alex F3,
Hey,
Alex FC up by, is it 2 wins now 3?
Wait, who's the other
It's 2
wild
wins. They can make it 3 here. But I'm telling you what now, guys, here. One of my favorite players here is playing, and that's Black Messi there. He's going to be an enter war, wallahi. That little Mo, I'll tell you that, it runs in the family.
Where's that little Mo's cousin on?
Yunus there.
Oh!
An orthodox footballer. And here's Alex, he's going to score this one, isn't he? Oh, lovely layoff.
Oh my God!
I'll tell you what, the keeper should have done better there.
No way!
But that's a great that.
Man, hey! Bro, he's a Mexican player, bro. And Herrero. What am I saying? What's his name? Hector Herrero. Oh! Bit.
Allah! A bad touch from him. But look at Yunus there. Allah. Oh, big finish! Oh! Come on! Oh, no, ref! Allah! Oh, again! Oh my God! Great keeper!
It's coming!
What a game we're having our hands in. Here's Alex. Can he strike it there? Oh! And that little Mo. Oh, love it from Yunus. But semi-finals, this is what the semi-finals all about. ZEZO! Give the ball away! And okay, give it the ball! Oh my God! And now they got what's happened to Alex FC? They're losing their heads there. He wants to win that game, man.
We need to get a mental health check, you know.
Yeah.
Doesn't he GoPros from him? One guy had a GoPro on last week, no?
Yeah. Oh.
I'm telling you, this keeper's not saving nothing, bro. I'm telling you, bro. What did I say?
No one like this.
Yeah, man.
Have to win this game.
We've got Raid's debut today, man. He hasn't touched the ball yet. Is he nervous?
I don't know. It's the occasion might be getting to him. Does he not want to have a bad? Is he scared of having a bad game? This is what you think about.
There's not many players that can come here
the session
and do
before.
what.
Oh, earn that money.
I've never seen SLOTHS FC get treated like this, though. Man.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
they're giving the ball away. Oh.
What number is he wearing? Number 15.
Here's Tazza.
Whoa!
Oh my, there's actually the post as well.
Wait, where's Steven? Is he not playing?
Nah, he's on holiday.
They are missing him, though. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, they are. You know, it's his leadership, his composure, his experience. You need that on the pitch. Experience is the most important thing.
Without him in this team, it's just Taz.
Oh, he stands out like one as well, I'm not gonna lie. The football today is not there. And he's got to hit that first time! Oh! Great finish! I'll tell you what, that's redemption from himself after losing the ball a couple of times.
Punishment for the team.
Oh, I love that. Carter has to be. He's a bit too composed, Carter. I don't like it. He's got to be on his feet there, on his toes. Oh my
Yo,
God.
he's hit the post like 4 times already.
Oh my days. Rage there. That is poor from you. That's very poor from you. Rage comes on the pitch and they start losing. So we apologize to Karim there. Sorry for Karim. I didn't know he was going to say that, Wallah. Wallah, I didn't know he was going to say that. I'll be so real with you. Oh, the football was exquisite. Yeah, you might become a, like, it gives you extra boost maybe. Oh. Here we go. Chaotic footballer. We call him Nunes. A bit like Nunes, this guy. Look at this guy. Oh, look at Younes.
Run.
Allah, don't do it. Oh, if that went in, that would have been automatically player of the season. Automatic technique that. This keeper here, I don't know what he's doing. You got to be quicker. Oh, what a ball there. Can he bury that? Oh, what a save. Apologise for anything that you did see on his live stream the other day. I do apologise. Well, I'm on him. Oh. And there's Hendo. Look at that. Look at Hendo. Henderson! Oh, great save. Great strength shown by him as well. Now here we go with Taz. He's can he strike it here? Can he do something? Oh, that's a yellow as well.
Book him!
That's a yellow card offence. He's gonna have a word with him. He's gonna have a word.
There you go, man. Show some authority in the game.
That's what you want to see. That's experience. That's experience.
Colin Mane gets past him easily.
Yeah, that is. Allahu Akbar. This fella here. Allah, he made him run into a wall. That is disrespectful. That.
Hendo here. Can he get past him?
And Henderson. That's with that classic experience shoulder drop. We'd love to see that. Oh, he's getting fouled left, right, and centre. And he's got to bury this here. Yes, he can bury. That's 2-0. Great football. And Henderson there gives the ball fantastic. And Black Messi there. Oh, I'll tell you what, you got to be professional to have that.
Speaking of professional.
And here he is, Henderson there. He's got to have that ball return. He's got to bury that. First time. Oh, what a finish there. He chose the corner of that goal. Now getting our strength.
How come they
and I played.
Chelsea kits?
Oh, the football is sensational. Lovely touch by Henderson. Oh, lovely touch though.
Cut, man.
And here's Henderson, beautiful human being as well as a beautiful man. Oh, lovely. And now they got to bury that. Great save by the keeper. And look at great sportsmanship as well. Is there something he can't do? Oh, Akbar. He had to bury that. Aurier.
He's got to bury that.
He might go back to Nottingham Forest after this. Shocking from him there.
Aurier's got to bury that.
He's gonna get a reality check, you know. Allah, Lavia there. He's got to bang this in. Oh, Taz FC with another quality win. It's 3-3, and they're on a momentum now, aren't they? No, just push to give me a little nudge. That's what you like to see.
Very vocal here, Josh from City. Very vocal.
No, I like that. Oh, now he's taking a bit. He's taking a mic. This is where you break their legs, in my opinion, you know. Oh, I love it. Look at Hendo. Watch this from Hendo, yeah? Watch this. That was a dipping shot. That was 7 aside. That would have gone in, you know. Oh, wallahi, what a turn.
Let's go back.
And now here's Aurier. Aurier. Allah!
Aurier. They need to start playing more discipline and get back.
Oh, look at it. And this man here, what a save from Younes. But I'll tell you what, Henderson looks like he hasn't eaten for days because he wants that morale. And here's Carter. Oh! Jordan! Is that what you're on, yeah? Oh, the football here is immaculate.
Oh, quality passes here, man.
Great block, and here he is. Oh, he's got to stop now. He's got to stop.
Oh,
they're moving about beautiful. They're playing football. They're playing football. And I'll tell you what, I was wrong. I was wrong in terms of the arrogance thing and stuff like this. Look at the football here. Oh, Aurier there. Aurier. Look at that. Nah, this is where discipline comes in, you know. They're holding the ball. They're not forcing it. This is exactly what you need. This is where chemistry kicks in as well. Allahu Akbar. Look at that. And Aurier there. Look at the football that's being played here. How many? I counted about 20 passes there.
I counted 25.
It's fantastic. Allah, good football.
Where you going?
He's got to bury that. Oh, Younes there. Quality. Now my question is, will Abdurrahman come on for this team?
I don't think he will. Honestly, I think that
He's
they played
nowhere.
well.
He's nowhere to be seen.
The first team that played well, man. I think they should stick with that team.
He's nowhere to be. Wait, just last. I do want to apologize if I offended you first of all. No, I do want to apologize. But just quickly, what's going wrong in terms of the team? Because last week, obviously, you guys absolutely destroyed a lot of teams, you know, and the chemistry seemed a lot more smoother. Is it because there was new acquisitions into the team?
Do you know, there was a lot of last-minute dropouts because every
Goal, it's 0-0.
Oh, okay. And here's Hendo.
Go! Release it!
If we can have a quick word with Abdullah here as well. No, and good luck to your team tomorrow. And now, what a save by the keeper! What a save by the keeper!
We do apologise about the chance there, man. Sorry, man. We're gonna have to get stewards here, man.
Live from the sideline.
They did pay for their tickets, so we can't kick them out.
Yeah, that's true.
They do anything.
It's good to see them having a good time. Let's get a quick word with Yunus. Should we get a quick word with Yunus? And as you can see, they are fanboying over Alex, who has left Chelsea. Incredible to see this. Oh, here we go, Hendo. Can he strike it? Oh my days! He wants that free morals. He's hungry for it. And he's playing like he hasn't eaten in days, that fella. But he's hungry. Oh, is that a foul? No, it's not a foul.
This guy is holding it though.
Yeah, he's good. Wallah, he's solid, man. Hey, Hendo! Is there a fire drill? You're nothing special. You lose every week. You lose every week. You lose every week. You're nothing special. You lose every week. I'm loving the atmosphere today. Best atmosphere we've had so far in ZEZO Super Cup, in my opinion, for this year.
It's like the San Siro in the Champions League.
And this is what I've said about the ZEZO Super Cup, right? No, sorry, about the Goodison Park. The pitch might be awful, but the atmosphere is 10 out of 10.
Of course, man. You know what it is, yeah? We did get kicked out of Anfield, but Goodison Park has this atmosphere, man.
Of course, it's got the atmosphere.
The tickets are cheaper.
Oh, Tazza here. Correct save.
We missed that, man. Taz, what's going on? Oh. Because Steven's not playing as well. Steven's not playing, that's why.
Is there a fire drill?
He must hate that, you know. Like.
Together, and winning is alright. So cheer us on through the sun and rain. Cause Chelsea is the name. Oh, what a lovely chant. Oh, Abdi Rage. 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 And again, Taz on the bench. Yeah, this guy, like boy, man. Oh.
Too easy. They get a split in the middle, man.
Here's Rage. Here's Alex. Oh, what a goal, man! What a goal! Touch. Oh, wallah, good save. Oh, great touch. That's a fantastic touch. Leaned on the player as well to help him. Here's Enzo. Oh, here we go. I'll tell you what, he's feeling it today, isn't he? Oh, Hendo. We want to give a shout out to Abdulaziz, of course. He's hosted a fantastic tournament. You know, this is some of the quality games that we have seen. And like I've said, guys, the first couple of games you're going to see a bit of domination, but this is where quality oozes. And these two teams have shown intensity. We do want to say shout out to BARKINGSIDE FC. Oh my days! It's game over. It's done. It's finito. It's finito. Oh, I'll tell you what. He don't miss chest day, does he? He doesn't miss chest day, does he? Oh. There is speed there. Wallahi, that is a solid save, you know. Good positioning. It's like asking Ty from AFTV, what does he wear with normal clothes, you know? Impossible. Oh, this guy, he's redeemed himself. You know this guy, he had a horrible start at the start, yeah, but he's redeemed himself differently, man. When? Yeah, he was, bro. Yeah, bro. Now he had plats in it. Oh, get off me! Get off me! What is he doing? What is he doing? Taz, it's gonna. Oh my days! Send him shops. He sent him back to wherever he came from, didn't he?
Mano. Yeah.
Oh, Rage there with the Meg. And now he's got banging his Henderson! Oh, what was cute from him.
Old school thing, bro.
You got a track back.
Mano, you know what he wants to do.
Nano, terus kucing.
Oh, yeah. Allah, Taz. Allah. Oh, mate, let's get a quick interview during the game. Come on.
That's a rare mistake.
Get up. Oh. Rage behind. Oh! That's the score. See, look,
We were joined here by Yunus. He was used as a wild card today. You lost twice. Yeah, you lost twice in the tournament now, which is unfortunate. But talk to us, what was the difference? Why did you take the opportunity? What did you think of the team that you was going into? What did you think of the opposition as well, going into the...
Opposition were amazing. I think the first team I played for, SLOTHS team that featured Qasim, that was a horrific team and we deserved to lose. But the second team is still a horrific team, but they're my brothers. So you know what, we still came in, played with passion. We got popped.
We're saying we're not your brothers, yes, I know. But just quickly, the second game, obviously, coming to the semi-final. You guys had a promised start, especially the first game. You put a lot of intensity. Yeah, you put a lot of intensity in. Won a lot of your challenges, second balls. What changed? Was it maybe energy? Was it stamina?
Well, I have no clue, man. I think it was just the energy, man. The criminal energy just brought the team down. But next year, inshallah.
Listen, man, we do want to thank you, of course. You put in maximum effort and congratulations to yourself. Next year, inshallah. Thank you, man. Sorry, I don't know. I feel like I'm part of the team. But listen, man. First and foremost, commiserations for your team. But also,
the whole team with that.
I do want to say you guys do have an opportunity to, come back and go to the final because you are going to get a second chance. As you guys know, second place will get another chance. Yeah. Now talk to me. You guys started off very well. had momentum into the game, scored your chances, everyone's disciplined. What changed?
I feel like it's just that we weren't clinical enough, and we were getting in certain areas where we just weren't taking shots. We were just taking too much of the piss. Because I feel like we got in the old mentality like last time we played, where we were just when we were winning and we were taking the piss and that. But I guess this is football,
Yeah, sorry, go on.
Yeah, I was gonna say literally the same thing as what Alex said. Like, we just didn't take our chances enough, and like we made them look better than what they are. And it's unfortunate. Hopefully, we can get to the final and play them again and beat them.
And if we win, use ZFC, ZFC.
Oh man, well, we're joined here by Ash from KZFC. First of all, congratulations to you and your team. You're putting down a fantastic performance, so did your team. Talk us about the game and how was it for yourself?
Yeah, just said to the boys, keep it simple, when we start playing, no one can touch us. When we're doing the tick-attack and stuff, can't compete,
What was the difference? Because obviously the start of the game you guys didn't have that momentum as you ended it with, obviously. They started winning the first couple of games, then you lot made it back. What changed?
Do you know what it was? In some of us literally just turned up, no warm up, didn't even touch the ball. First time we touched the ball was when the game started. So once we get going, you can't stop us.
And lastly, of course, you've made some. Don't know who exactly, but I see a lot of changes made around the team. You go into the final now. Obviously, will there be some changes, or we're going to see the same team?
Well, we'll have to see. Obviously, you can see some of the young boys are putting in some good performances, and we got some stuff in the arsenal. We got some stuff in the arsenal.
Listen, man. Last time I give you the man of the match award.
Appreciate it.
It does come with a free morale. £15 worth, whatever you like, and enjoy yourself, fellas.
Appreciate it.
Good luck in the final, fella.
Thank you.